Christmas time is upon us, ladies and gentlemen, so let 717 Supply take the worry out of your Christmas shopping this year. We're gonna have you covered. Use my code RFR for 100 free entries plus 5% off any order to win this Tahoe, $30,000 in cash, and a $10,000 family dream vacation of your choosing. Do you know how far 10 grand can take you on a vacation? You could go to your dream ski resort, all the way to Japan, the Mediterranean, fly to Alaska and stay a week so you can see the amazing Northern Lights, New York, LA, Miami, and everywhere in between. And hey, if you want to go to Nickelodeon Studios, we'll send you there too. What? What do you mean it doesn't exist anymore? Well, whatever. Now is your opportunity to own this gorgeous vehicle, surprise your wife on Christmas morning with $30,000 in cash, the Tahoe, and the family vacation of your dreams. Remember, use code RFR, 100 free entries plus 5% off. Thank you guys so much for the support. Good luck. So I got small tires, and I'm gonna put big tires on now. All right, I made it the whole way here. We're gonna turn around because I literally think that my battery's dead and my impact, if not, it's close to being dead. So I would hate to have this thing jacked up with 3 tires on, 1 not on, and my impact dies because we ain't gonna be able to get home. And it's too far of a run walk to get back, so we're heading back to get another battery. Isn't that fun, kids? Here we go. In case I literally cannot turn at all, I'm facing the truck so I at least can drive forward and backwards. Maybe I can turn. Maybe this will be life-changing. But for now, this is their favorite place on the planet. Where's that cat? Where's the cat? And they don't like cats. All right, guys, it's the year 2024, about to be the year 2025. We gotta get our act together here. Get rid of the junk stock floor carpet mats. They're junk, and they're hard as hell to clean. That's where LazFit comes in. They're gonna get you hooked up with some awesome but cost-effective laser fit floor mats for your ride. Super easy to clean and even easier to install. You pop these suckers in, they're made of extremely durable rubber. They're not gonna slip or slide or go anywhere, and the fitment is perfect. It fits like a glove. Make sure you use my link in the description because it gets you a great discount that they're running right now for Black Friday, so it's the best time of year to buy. And they got them for all sorts of vehicles, so check them out. They're hooking my dad up here with an early Christmas present so he can get his ride staying clean, and they just look better. I mean, these, like any of these type of floor mats, they just look better, and LazFit is one of the best on the market, and they'll get whatever vehicle you got covered front and back. But yeah, super impressive. I mean, they fit amazing right out of the box, so I can't imagine after like one slightly warm day of the truck warming up, these will just, they mold perfectly and they fit even better. So right out of the box, they fit perfect. So ditch these old crummy floor mats. They are junk. They hold so much dirt. I mean, have you ever taken one of these out and like shook them out in the sun? See how much dust is trapped in these things? Well, imagine that every time you step foot in and out of your vehicle. And I don't know about you guys, but I cringe anytime my boots are muddy, or like if I'm out in the snow and I get into my truck and I'm stepping on the carpet. It just feels like I permanently have ruined the interior of my vehicle. But with this, I have peace of mind. I actually want to get them dirty because that's what they're there for. So it makes my life so much easier, and it's absolutely worth the small cost. So hit up LazFit in the description for an amazing discount. Thank you guys so much for the support, and thank you LazFit for sponsoring this video. So what we got cooking here temporarily is some Methods. Now, the only bright side, Method wheels, but I believe these are Nitto grapplers. Nitto Ridge grapplers. Yep, 37 by 11.5. I'm gonna try to get this done very quickly because we have a packed day today. Wow, these wheels are nice. Dang, I like that. I got maternity photos just for me. No, me and Tressa, we have like a maternity photo shoot at 3 o'clock, and it's noon now, so I gotta get this done in 3 hours. Should not be a problem, but definitely want to get this done extremely quickly because I'm sure for the price that Mike is selling these, yeah, these are Mike's tires. I don't know if he ever put them on. They look brand new. They were definitely never put on, actually. But for the price he's selling these for, I think like 2 grand, they're gonna go fast. So we got to make this video quick. But look how pretty that is. Oh my God. So they have like the little terrain features on the center cap. Is that for every Method wheel? I don't remember seeing that. Maybe this is this wheel specific. It's gonna get loud here. Blackhawk about to fly over, but love this pattern. I think, man, that is gonna look so damn good. Now we have the Methods over there. Those are going on and the wheels have it. The tires have been ordered. There's our Blackhawk buddy. Nice and loud. I'll speak up. But we are going to strap these on the truck and see if we can drive. This video, you guys might never see this footage because they might literally not be able to clear the wheel well just by putting them on. I mean, there's a decent amount of space there. I feel like it's gotta fit. I mean, it's just 37s, they're not that big. And this is Chevy's premier off-roader, right? There should be no issue. They should fit from the factory. And another thing is, the tires that are on it right now, extremely wide. Some of the widest 33s that you can run on these, I know they fit 35s. These are nice and narrow, so that does help a little bit with clearance, but man, when you stack it up to 37 inches, it is gonna be tough to make this thing work. Anyway, let's cut the crap. Let's see if this works. I hope it does, because I know if it does, I'm gonna love the look of these tires on this truck, that nice gloss finish. Anyway, here we go. Getting the jack out. Just notice this. That's a good like 4 inches of paint just gone down to bare metal. No clue how that happened. And there's no damage here. I would never run anything on my truck that would rub this, like having a ratchet strap or something sit out. So that just seems to me like when I was off-roading, something was rubbing, but you'd think you'd see some wear on the tailgate here. Unless I'm missing it, that's pretty heartbreaking. Damn, not like that on the other side at all. This is just residue from the wrap. That's crazy. Wow. All right, this all could end right here. I don't know if it's gonna, I mean, we'll get it on there, right? Okay, we're on? Oh, we're on. Oh my God. Oh, we're in trouble though. Holy crap. That looks so good. That looks amazing. Let me just tighten this on quick. It's never gonna clear. I literally do not even think it's gonna be able to drive. All right, the absolute fattest moment of truth here. Can a Colorado ZR2, virtually stock, this just has a little CCE leveling kit on it, fit very skinny 37-inch tires? I didn't hear any rub. Oh my God, it clears. It clears sitting here. At least it does that. Right, we're good. On to the other side. I don't know how much we're gonna be able to turn though, because yeah, that ain't gonna cut it. Whatever, we'll keep going. Holy smokes, it looks so good though. Hang on, we'll do like a full thing whenever all the wheels and tires are on. Let me get the rest on. These ones are a little bit closer and it is jacked way up. I didn't think the rear was gonna be a problem. Let's see here, plenty of room. There'd be no rub on that, right? Oh my God, that looks so fantastic. Wow, can you guys appreciate it? I'm telling you in person, the gloss of those Method wheels, even the little center caps, it's hunting season right now, that looks fantastic. Holy smokes. All right, let's see how far we can drive on this thing. Okay, that wasn't bad. All right, so we're gonna go full lock here. We're gonna do right turn. Oh, never mind. We're gonna go left turn. Cause I hear, oh. Where do we, so we're essentially straight there. I hear something. I don't see what you guys are seeing. God, it's these, like if Chevy, I knew this wasn't gonna work, but if Chevy could just get over their fetish and obsession with this kick out here, there's no need for it. No need. None. How come everyone else has figured it out except Chevy? And I know what you're saying. I don't mean to get so frustrated here, but I want this to work so bad because it looks so freaking cool. But it's like, Bobby, the Ranger wouldn't fit this. The Dodge doesn't even make one, but the TRX and Raptor would, and the Silverado, no Silverado fits this. So why can't Chevy's Premier Off-Roader, the one truck they seem to take seriously, not fit 37s? It's so insane. It's so insane. I'm up for the 35s, but man, it's so close. And you might say it's unnecessary, but why not just do it when you have everything right here at your disposal? You don't need this massive fender flare. Cut this out. Make this nice and thin. You pay your engineers probably $5 more. It'd probably save you money on less material here to make this work. No dice at all. If it maintained, see this line right here, how this is like a nice indent for the tire to fall into. If it didn't have this massive jet out right here, can you see that elbow? It goes in here nice and it follows that the whole way to like the control arm. But this for just no reason. I mean, obviously there's a reason, there's something behind it, but it doesn't need to be. There's nothing there that is vital. You could scrap that immediately with the slightest redesign, and it wouldn't have to be redesigned because you should have designed it that way from the factory. But holy smokes, this looks so good. I don't know if there's any, this is filmed in December of 2024, and I don't know if there is a single lift kit out there for this truck yet. If there is, I'm sure it's rough country and you got to get rid of your shocks, which we're not prepared to do that quite yet. But man, if you guys have a lift kit for me so I can rock something, a setup this insane, and just give, I mean, this gives this truck such a stance. The lighting is terrible, but completely undrivable. I was really hoping I get a little bit more turn out of it than that. There's nothing there, so I can at least take this on the road quick. It's not gonna happen. So no, 37-inch tires, oh God, do not fit on a essentially stock 2023 Colorado ZR2 or an AT4X for that matter. I imagine they're identical. If I'm at a red light here, okay, and I want to turn right into the grocery store, Target or Walmart, whatever. Yeah, I couldn't make it. Oh my God, it's tearing the carpet apart. I can hear it. Oh, yep, there's the slightest bit of articulation. All right, let's try and get it back over here parked. We're going for a 3-point turn here. Can it be done? If your final answer was 11, you're correct. I'm such an idiot. I just figured out a solution to how I can rock the 37s. You just put the 33s up front. Look at all that clearance. We're good to go. So that didn't work either. And aside from it not working, it also looks okay, that's enough of that. Beautiful methods. Maybe I'll get them in 35s. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment something down below. Should I cut the fenders? I don't know. RFR to support me for the giveaway so I can support you by giving you a better shot at winning the giveaway. So we got the Tahoe, $30,000 in cash, and a $10,000 family vacation of your choosing. Code RFR, 100 free entries, 5% off. You might not see the entries right away. I think you're gonna get the entries, don't worry. That's all, folks. Merry Christmas.